Hi there, fellow Skoda, Citigo, and Seat Mii owners. You have asked yourself how to route your cables for your PDC system if you've retrofitted one, or maybe even a backup camera. This is a solution that might just work for you. I have done this, a few years ago, and it has been working like this, like for 5 or 6 years without any problems. So here we go. As you can see, this is the bumper cover of the car, and right there in the center, there's the PDC sensor on the back. As we go back around the car, the rear end of the car, we'll take a look inside of the rear wheel housing. And since this is a 2016 and before vehicle, or 2012 till 2015, to be correct, it doesn't have any wheel arch liners. So these are like, there's no plastic here to protect the wheel housing. If you have like a 2016 and up, a vehicle, then you would have one, and you would have to basically dismantle it. And there's like there's like mounting points that would go also around the edges and everything else. You would have to actually take the wheel off, take also the wheel off, basically the wheel housing, arch liner, and the wheel off in order to get to this area that I'm showing you right now. As you can see, I've routed the cables of my PDC sensor around the existing routing and wiring routing in the wheel housing, and I've just wound it around it in order to basically take advantage of the mounting points and to keep the cable stable. What you could do is also, if you do it this way, you could just twist also the new cables that you're running with one full twist every like 2 or 3 centimeters to kind of keep like an inherent stability of the wire combo. And so you basically run it along the existing routing. And as you can see here, there is a rubber grommet that actually seals the wheel arch and the interior. And so what I've done is I've basically just ran the wires. I've made it collapse with my fingers. And so this is a very, very flexible rubber part, even now after 12, 13 years. And I ran the wire inside, and I just really went out of my way to make sure that the rubber grommet is sealing properly so that there's no water ingress. Because as you are maybe going, I don't know, you're 50, 60, 100 miles an hour on the Autobahn or on the freeway or wherever you are, there's a really a substantial water spray in this water, in the wheel arch and in the housing. And so you want to make sure that there is no water coming inside of the vehicle as you're driving. So this is, just take your time, make sure this is sealed properly after you run your wires through it, and it's going to be fine. So now you're probably asking yourself, how does this look on the inside? Basically, this is now the interior. We are just right above the wheel arch, and as you can see, you can basically go inside here. This is not going to be, I've got all my PDC like control unit inside here, and I've got also the tweeter for the PDC, so it's kind of full in here. But as you're routing maybe your camera wiring and everything else, you can actually, this is going to be free, and you can just run the wire inside here on the interior, and you can take these the seat upper backs, you can basically pop them open, and you can run the wire then along the C-pillar all the way to the floorboard of the car. I'm going to show this to you on the outside. Let me just turn the lights on here for a second. So basically, we were just like here inside of this wheel arch, and you ran the wire like this on the interior. Then the seat back is somewhere here, right? And you will run your wire along the seat back on the side, inside of the plastic, and then there's like along the rocker panel, which it's kind of dark right now, which I'm sorry for. It's you can just take the rocker panel, or better said, the covering of the door jamb. this is like a plastic, cover. You just pop that open and you run the wire all the way to the A pillar and inside of the dashboards to whatever unit you have there and you want it to connect it. Okay. Hope this helps, guys. We set up Citigo and Mii owners have to hold together. Let me know what you think. Good luck.